Hello YouTube, I'm back with a second video, and this time the solve with the 2x2. So I'll go ahead and mix it up. So, let's do this. Okay, you can time me at home if you want, as usual, but because I'm not timing. But anyway, let's go. 3, 2, 1. There. How quick was that? Wow, I've never done that before. Oh wow. Please subscribe for tutorials and other videos, solves, and just like, for example, like recommendations for cubes that you should buy. Anyway, well, this one, I don't know what it's called, but it's shape shifting. Just like a regular Rubik cube, it's just shape shifting. Anyway, see you later. Bye bye.